So anyway, as you can see, that's one of the well, as you can see, that's one of the newer aircrafts apparently, which this is one that's the this is one of the newer registrations on the Cessna 152 aircraft anyway, which I think this is the one that I've not seen that registration before anyway, which this is one that's currently based at Bodmin Airfield apparently. So yeah, it's just you can tell this is a plane that's based down at Bodmin Airfield apparently, which as you can see the registration is G-CMTK, that is. So yeah, basically this is one of the newer registrations that we've basically just seen on the Cessna 152 anyway. So yeah, this is one of the newer aircrafts which this has now come to base at Bodmin Airfield anyway. So yeah, so as you can see, that is G-CMTK, that is, which this is one of the registrations that we've just seen for the first time anyway, first time we ever saw that one anyway. So yeah, this is one of the private plane apparently. I think this is the private plane one apparently though. I think this is just the Cessna 152 private plane apparently though, which I think according to that registration, which I think, I'm not sure whether it is the RIM Cessna, but I don't think it is though, to be honest. But well, technically according to Flight Radar, I think it's just the Cessna we have anyway. So yeah, basically that is the Cessna 152 we just seen, came over this afternoon anyway, especially with the registration we've not seen before, G-CMTK, that is. And just you can see, just from here, he just took off at Bodmin Airfield just around, probably just after 5:05 anyway. So that literally just took off just after 5:05 anyway, from his base at Bodmin Airfield anyway, which that's where he's currently based at now anyway, just at Bodmin Airfield. So yeah, and just you can see from here, he's only literally just came here to around between 22 and 23,000 feet from here anyway, whereas I think he was almost coming for an overhead pass, but which sadly he didn't apparently though. So yeah, I think this is the first time I've ever seen this registration, G-CMTK apparently, which I think this is the first time that we've ever seen this registration on the Cessna 152 anyway. So yeah, okay, so yep, hopefully that should be going back to its base down at Bodmin Airfield very soon, hopefully. So yeah, okay, so yep, thanks for watching, bye bye.